Ecstasy is a drug that affects the brain's chemistry by releasing a high level of serotonin, which plays a role in regulating mood, energy level, and appetite. So, what is it? The chemical name for ecstasy is 3,4-methylene dioxymethamphetamine or MDMA. The chemical structure and the effects of MDMA are similar to amphetamine, a stimulant, and to mescaline, a hallucinogen. MDMA is an abbreviation for methylene dioxymethylamphetamine. The formal IUPAC name is N-methyl-1-propantoamine, but MDMA is commonly known as 3,4-methylene dioxymethamphetamine or methylene dioxymethamphetamine. Where does it come from? Ecstasy is made in illegal labs and chemicals and processes that vary from lab to lab. What's sold as ecstasy often contains unknown drugs or other fillers. It is originally developed in 1912 by the Merck Chemical Company. It was never marketed as such, although proposed as an aid to psychiatric counseling. Therapeutic use is extremely limited. Illicit MDMA is normally seen as tablets, many of which are manufactured in Europe. It acts as central nervous system stimulant and has a weak hallucinogenic property, more accurately described as increased sensory awareness. MDMA was patented in 1913 and has been used experimentally, most notably as supplement to psychotherapy in the 1970s. It was made illegal to possess, traffic, import or produce MDMA in Canada in 1976 and the United States in 1985. What does it look like? So ecstasy is usually sold as a tablet or capsule that is swallowed. It may also be sold in powder form, or the tablets may be crushed and then snorted. There are also rare reports of the drug being injected. Ecstasy tablets come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and are often stamped with a logo, such as butterfly or clover, giving them a candy-like look. This branding of ecstasy tablets should not be mistaken for an indication of quality, as manufacturers may use the same logo and low-quality copycats are common. Who uses it? The increased use of ecstasy as a recreational drug began in 1980s in the United States. Young people at raves were the group most commonly associated with ecstasy use. While still used by young people in clubs and at parties, ecstasy is now also used by a wider range of people in a variety of settings. How long does the feeling last? The effects of ecstasy usually begin within an hour and may last 4 to 6 hours. The duration of the after effects cannot be predicted as precisely, though they may last for days or weeks. Is it dangerous? It can be, although some people regard ecstasy as a relatively safe drug. A growing number of deaths have been associated with it. As with many illegal drugs, this risk increases with the amount taken and frequency of use. A major factor in many ecstasy-related deaths is the dehydration and overheating that can result when ecstasy is taken in conjunction with all-night dancing. Ecstasy increases body temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate, which can lead to kidney or heart failure, strokes, and seizures. Ecstasy may cause jaundice and liver damage. People with high blood pressure, heart or liver problems, diabetes, epilepsy, or any mental disorder are the most vulnerable to the potential dangers of ecstasy. Part of the danger is that people may not be aware that they have these conditions, and the effects of ecstasy can trigger symptoms. As with all illegal street drugs, the purity and strength of ecstasy can never be accurately gauged. When you take ecstasy, you don't know what you're taking or how it will affect you. Combining ecstasy with other drugs, whether illegal or prescription, may cause a toxic interaction. Several prescription medications are known to interact with ecstasy, including a type of antidepressant called monoamine oxidase inhibitors, and ritonavir, a protease inhibitor used to treat HIV. Analysis. In common with many of its homologs, MDMA reacts with the Marquis field test to produce a dark blue-black coloration. Understanding the truth about ecstasy is vital in making informed decisions about your health and well-being. While it may be presented as harmless, the dangers it possesses are real and potentially life-threatening. Remember, every choice you make has an impact not just on your life, but on the lives of those around you. Stay informed, stay safe, and choose to live a life free from the risk of ecstasy and other harmful substances.